Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick tutorial and I thought let's do a pink look. In the color spectrum, there are certain ones that I feel a little more drawn to because I think they're a little more muted than some louder colors like blue and green. I tend to stick to light pinks, light purples, oranges, yellows because they're a little bit more comfortable. And so I thought let's do a pink look and a pink quick look. Like this is super easy. So with that said, if you're interested in this makeup look, go ahead and stay tuned because we're gonna get straight into the tutorial. there you have the tutorial for this makeup look. Again, apply it to whatever color scheme you guys would like, whatever your heart desires, and just kind of follow the strategies on how to get it done so that you can have multiple looks using the same technique. If you guys did enjoy this video and would like to be updated with future ones, I hope you decide to click on the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. You guys know the drill. All tutorials include a full list of products in the description box down below. There you can also find the link to my Instagram account if you're interested in keeping up with all my makeup looks. There I post all my makeup looks for my videos with a full list of products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. You guys may or may not know, but these lovely locks, they're not mine. Doing all this work just to take it off because it's 10 o'clock at night. Yep, artificial lights make this possible.